We are here to show you how to use FFX in your cooking gas to save money. You take 2 mil. With this, you depress the valve, press it down, and inject FFX into your empty cylinder before filling up. Ensure you press it down very well. That's it. And then you do your fill up. Also shake the cylinder during fill up to ensure the FFX mixes up with the gas properly. That's it. You need a depressing instrument, syringe, FFX 2 mil, a gas cylinder, 12.5 kg, empty one. Benefits: longer duration of your gas. Blue flame saves you cost of maintenance and then adds money into your pocket. Please note, this is very important. You must take readings, that is, record your expenses on maintenance and on purchase before and after FFX. This will actually help you appreciate how much FFX is saving you. Remember, the result is immediate.